Hi, I'm Ian Olmsted. I'm the founder and owner of Peninsula Solar, and I'm here with Milo, our company dog. Today we're here at the home of Dan Perkins. Dan Perkins is sort of a local legend in the northern Michigan space. He founded Dan Perkins Metal Roofing and also Partridge Creek Farms, which is a local nonprofit that specializes in regenerative farming. This is a home we installed solar on. With that, we're gonna go around and show you the system and show you Dan's house and introduce you to him and how everything works.
My name's Dan Perkins. I have a metal roofing company in Ishpeming. We serve the entire Upper Peninsula, some of northeastern Wisconsin, and we've always focused on trying to keep everything as local as possible. We manufacture our own products. We buy raw commodity steel and make our own products. Our steel comes right from Ishpeming, believe it or not, right out of our mines.
Dan Perkins Metal Roofing, this is the founder, Dan Perkins himself. We're on his property. He's got solar, we did less than a year ago. He's got his foodscape lawn, all of the food you could imagine, fruit trees in the front, completely without an electricity bill, completely non-reliant on grid power or other resources. How long have you owned Dan Perkins Roofing?
25 years.
Yeah.
And actually, we used to do solar, but then Ian came and showed us how to do it right. And then we've turned into the best partnership you can imagine. I mean, we've got the perfect base for your perfect product, and it's all about local, resilient, sustainable economies. Wait till you see the backyard.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Ultimately, I'd like to make the whole thing a damn food lot.
Yeah.
Why not? Who the hell needs grass? A little tiny bit of it to relax and enjoy, you know, but
Exactly.
Most
Who
of-
needs grass?
like this is all grapes right up here.
Wow. Your sauna set up.
It's
Barrel
electric, it runs off the solar.
Live in the UP, you gotta have one of these almost. Hey, buddy. A couple smart dogs.
So you want to go downstairs?
Yeah, let's go check out the basement.
Okay.
Nothing about this is experimental. It's, you know, tried and true. It's durable, like military grade hardware installed to electrical best practice. So like everything we do at Peninsula Solar, we're running in hard pipe. Our master electrician, Adrian Wojcik, has basically redefined how everything we do is done, you know, intentionally here to best trade practice. There's nothing here that isn't double checked, triple checked, tested, inspected by the local authority. It's just a great system, and I'm really proud to be working with Peninsula Solar, for Peninsula Solar, and with clients like you and involved in the local economy here. And
Well, all I know, Ian, is system is doing exactly what you told me it would do. It's completely eliminated an electric bill. We've never had a power outage. I mean, the power has gone out, but we don't lose it.
yeah, it's cool stuff. Like, it's amazing that we're here. You know, we've known each other for almost 10 years now, and look how far we've come.
I don't know anybody in the whole state of Michigan, and I know everybody that's even close to what Ian and Peninsula Solar are doing. It's really giving me a degree of satisfaction knowing that no matter what happens to the price of fossil fuels or the storms that might affect our grid, I've got some resilience here, and I'd love to see that for everybody in the Upper Peninsula. There's nothing like the security of knowing your electrical power is going to be there no matter what happens. It brings me a great deal of pleasure to know that my electrical needs are covered for the rest of my life. That is a sense of security that relieves anxiety and makes me happy. So I would encourage the person who's on the fence about the solar is get that need taken care of. I think it's nice just to get these kind of obligations out of the way. You know, it's like paying off your house. Okay, that's enough. You got enough.
Aces.